Hello developers, in this video I'm going to teach you how to convert text into speech using Python. If you are new to Python, don't worry, I will be covering all the basics of Python, and trust me, converting text to speech using Python is really simple, and you can do this even if you are an absolute beginner. In this video, I'll cover only the basics of text to speech conversion. Without further delay, let's get right into the video. We are going to use PYTTSX3 library to convert speech into text. PYTTSX3 is a text-to-speech conversion library in Python. Unlike alternative libraries, it works offline, and it is compatible with both Python 2 and 3. To install PYTTSX3 library, open cmd and type pip install PYTTSX3. Then create a Python file and open it in a text editor. For this tutorial, I'm going to use Sublime Text Editor. Sublime Text is a lightweight and free-to-use text editor. If you want to download Sublime Text Editor, go to www.sublimetext.com and download this editor. Let's get started with programming. First, import PYTTSX3 library. To import this library, type import PYTTSX3. In order to use this library, you have to initialize this library. To initialize a library in Python, you have to create a variable and call the initialize function of the library. So, create a variable and type pyttsx3.init. Now, type the name of the variable in which you had initialized the function and call the say function and pass the text which you want to convert into speech. In my case, I had initialized the library in a variable named engine, so type name of your function.say and pass the text. Then, call run and wait function and go to your project folder and run the program.
Hello world.
That's it, very simple. If you like this video, press the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos, and do follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching.